Welcome to the Multimedia Impact Weather Briefing for Central Alabama. Today is Tuesday, February 25, 2014. This briefing will focus on a small potential for a wintry mix across the far northern counties overnight tonight into Wednesday morning. Today is rather similar to yesterday in that our biggest question is, can the cold air get in place before the moisture leaves? There is uncertainty here, so the confidence on the forecast remains low. Milder ground temperatures remain a concern as well compared to previous events. The third concern deals with the expected temperatures by Wednesday morning. Most locales across the far north should be between 31 and 35 degrees. This is always a sticky range, as the switchover will all depend on the amount of precipitation and if the air mass can support snow or sleet. A few spots could get as cold as the upper 20s to near 30 for a brief period shortly after sunrise as the precipitation is coming to an end. In the colder spots, a few temporary slick spots are not totally out of the question. With all that said, here is the area where we may see a wintry mix through Wednesday morning. Most of the area will only have to deal with the rain and a brief mix, with the highest chances of getting minor accumulations across the far north. As far as accumulations, here is the latest potential of what we can expect for a combination of sleet and snow. Let me emphasize potential. If the temperatures do not drop or the precipitation does not fall as heavy, then these numbers are too high. Also, a good amount of any snow or sleet that falls may melt on contact with the warmer ground temperatures. At this time, it really appears that most of the precipitation will be ending in the areas of concern by around 6 a.m. But some areas could see some form of wintry mix last until as late as 9 or 10 a.m. Again, confidence is low on accumulation, but the potential is there if all things fall in line. Keep in mind that highs in the potential wintry mix area for Wednesday are expected to rise into the mid-30s to near 40 degrees in the far north to the lower to mid-40s elsewhere. Thanks for viewing this briefing. Just as a reminder, for rapidly changing situations and while events are ongoing, please see the Graphicast on the front of our website for the latest information. If you have any additional questions, please give us a call at 205-664-3010. Thank you.